Hi everybody, I'm Shaun from Shaun Recommends, and today we're going to be talking about the new Tangerine World MasterCard. Now, you might recall, if you've watched some of my other videos, I did do an entire review video on the Tangerine Money Back MasterCard, one of my favorite MasterCards to recommend, favorite credit cards overall to recommend because it's got a great earn rate and it is no annual fee. So a lot of benefits here. Check out that video if you're interested in this card. But very recently, I think about last week, maybe the week before, Tangerine Bank announced that they would be releasing a world version of this MasterCard. Now, if you don't know what the world version is, especially maybe if you're not Canadian, many of the MasterCards in Canada have multiple tiers or levels, right? So for example, this is a triangle MasterCard, base level MasterCard, and then there's also a World Elite Triangle MasterCard here. I have both of these. All right, so they change the color, a lot of the benefits change. Sometimes an annual fee is changed. There's also in between these two, there is a World MasterCard. So it goes sort of base level, Triangle MasterCard, Triangle World MasterCard, Triangle World Elite MasterCard. Now previously, there was only, for a long time, only the Tangerine Money Back MasterCard, just a plain old MasterCard, it's fine. But they just announced the World version. Now, I got it in the mail yesterday, and here it is. So we're gonna do a little bit of an unboxing here as well. I know that's always kind of exciting. All I did was crack it open and draw a line on my address there, and really that's it. And I'll show you, and I was actually, sometimes I put a little bit of tape over the numbers. So the very first thing I noticed is I did not need to do that. So let's take a look here. What do we got? Welcome to the new credit card experience, one that makes it easy to save even when you're spending on everyday purchases. So I think that basically describes the Tangerine MasterCard motto, or works for both. But inside there, we have the Tangerine MasterCard. So I think you'll notice right away something obviously different about it. Let me peel off the activation sticker. The only thing on there is the activation sticker. Here. Boom. Right there. First thing you'll notice, a vertical card design, which is obviously a lot different than the other one here. I think it is pretty sharp. You'll also notice nowhere on the front of the card is there even any identifying, my name's not on the front, my credit card number's not on the front, the CVV number is not on the front. It's just plain, got Tangerine, it's got the MasterCard World there, and sort of just an art design and the different gray there. Got the orange and the gray together. I think it's a sharp looking card. I know when you're looking for a card that's going to save you money, that you're going to earn rewards on, how it looks might not be really a priority for you. I think it's kind of cool to have credit cards that look nice, and no offense to Tangerine, but the old one sort of stuck out in my wallet as being a little bit, I don't know, maybe the least attractive of the cards with this orange, bright orange, huge Tangerine on it. This one a little bit more understated with the Tangerine, and I really do like this vertical card design. So let me know in the comments below what you think of the vertical design and what you would think overall of the card and the design. So personally, I quite like it. But let's talk a little bit about what benefits come with switching from the Tangerine to the Tangerine World card. Okay. First off, in terms of earning potential, nothing has changed. You can earn 2% in your 2 chosen categories, or up to 3 chosen categories. You can earn 2% in 3 categories if you have a Tangerine bank account, which I recommend that you do. And then you earn 0.5% everywhere else. That stays the same. There's still no annual fee. That stays the same. Really what has changed is there is an income requirement for this card. You have to earn $60,000 yourself or $100,000 for your household. But if you can do that, basically you can upgrade the card like I did. And what the main thing it adds is a little bit more insurance coverage. So the basic Tangerine MasterCard has sort of bare bones insurance, purchase protection, and a little bit of an extended warranty like most credit cards do. The Tangerine MasterCard adds, the Tangerine World MasterCard adds car rental insurance. Again, that's pretty common on a lot of cards, but now the Tangerine card has it, makes it a little bit more functional as an everyday card. If you rent cars. The second one, which I'm excited about, is it has mobile device insurance, which most credit cards in Canada don't have. One that does is another one that I have had in my wallet before, the Scotiabank Visa Infinite, the Momentum cashback card, now has mobile device insurance, but that's a credit card with an annual fee of $120. This one, for no annual fee, has mobile device insurance. And how does that work? If you buy your cell phone or your tablet with this credit card and you pay for it completely with this card, it will cover the value of that device for up to $1,000. Or if you buy your phone on a plan, as long as you buy on the plan and then you're making all the payments with this credit card, it will cover the device for up to $1,000. So if you buy a brand new, say iPhone 11, and it was $1,000, if you smash it or jump into a swimming pool with it for some reason, and it's destroyed, actually, I guess it wouldn't be destroyed because it's waterproof, but you smash it, say, or otherwise, even if you lose it, you can have it covered by this insurance plan. And it is on a sliding scale, so if you've had the phone for a couple years or by the month, it decreases the amount of insurance. However, if you bought a phone a couple months ago and you accidentally dropped it and the screen smashed, you've got yourself coverage for no fee right through this MasterCard. So I thought that was pretty interesting and definitely worth recommending to you guys because, again, no annual fee. There's no cost to trying that out, especially if you've already got the Tangerine MasterCard and you can qualify for the upgrade. One final thing that has been added to the World Tangerine MasterCard is lounge key access. So if you're traveling and you're going to be at an airport lounge and it's a part of the lounge key network, you can pay. It basically gives you a lounge key membership, which allows you to pay to use that lounge. Now, if you watch some of my other videos on the American Express Platinum card, right here, the Platinum card, for example, gives you a priority pass membership, which means I can go to a lounge and just get in there for free. It's included in the cost of the credit card, right? Now, that's a credit card with a $699 annual fee. If you're just going to be traveling every once in a while and you want to use the airport lounge, you and someone else, so you can pay $32 per person US to use it. Now, of course, you might decide it's not worth that much, but you can, eat food, get some drinks while you're in there, and you don't have to have a costly annual fee credit card to do that, right? So it's all part of the Tangerine World MasterCard here. So let me know in the comments down below what you think about this, like I said, and do you check out my blog post, which has some links if you're interested in applying. And as always, leaving a like really does help out the channel, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. So until next time, I'm Shaun from Shaun Recommends. Thanks for watching.